As sustainability ambassador, I'm here to really push our portfolio of sustainable solutions, train the teams internally so they can discuss with our customers. I also visit customers to explain what we do, our achievements, the Arkema strategy, etc. I was at the beginning of the initiative with Bostik. This role of facilitator really matches what I like to do, explaining technical issues. I think the Fresk is a great initiative to get people to get their hands around what's going on, and for me that's the first step to action. So our clear objective with the Fresk was to train as many people as possible, and so when I see in people's eyes, when I listen to their questions, I really see that, and that is very concrete to me, that they understand, and sooner or later it will show in what they do, either at work or at home. So CSR is the topic of the day, but it's not a rosy picture. You really need to be prepared to push and fight and convince and educate people. Your customers, of course, but also internally. I think that's where the Fresk is very interesting, because it gives a solid background of understanding the issues. And so when you need to push your solutions, then at least you don't have to go back to the basics.